Today for language, we are going to be doing page 7. We're also going to start reviewing for a quiz. Okay, this quiz will not be assigned to study for homework. When I give you a quiz in language, it is just to see if you're paying attention in class and learning what I'm trying to teach you. Okay, so you need to be paying attention in class. When we have a test, then I will send it home as assigned for homework if you need to study for a test. But quizzes are given to see, are you paying attention? Alright, so one of the things that's going to be on the test is the types of sentences. First of all, we need to know, what is a sentence? Everybody, what's a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Types of sentences are a declarative sentence, which makes a statement. That's where that is, Owen. Are you seeing this? An interrogative sentence, which asks a question. All eyes should be over here. An exclamatory sentence shows sudden or strong feeling. And today, we're going to add in the last one. An imperative sentence gives a command. And I believe yesterday we saw a sentence that they said was exclamatory, but it really was an imperative sentence, wasn't it? But we hadn't learned it yet, so they told us it was exclamatory. All right, so let's look at the board right now. And we're going to do the sentence on the board with our proofreader marks, which I'm not going to get off the chart for proofreader marks. You guys know what they are. If you cannot see the board, you need to get where you can see the board. And do not crop. Do not crop up, please. Sit up. All right, first sentence says, take out your pencil. Now, I don't need you to tell me what kind of sentence this is because these are all imperative. That's a command. If I say, take out your pencils, that is a command. I'm telling you to do something, right? What do I need to do, though? Eric? Say that? Well, tell me what to do. How am I going to fix it? Okay, we're going to put a period because imperative is similar to a declarative in that it ends in a period. Just like declarative, it ends in a period. All right, what else needs to be done to that one? Tess?
Capitalize the T.
Yes, capitalize the T in take, beginning of the sentence. All right, the next sentence says, close the door, please. I've said that already this year to some of the boys, right? Owen, what are we going to do?
Make the C overflow uppercase.
Yes, so that needs to be capitalized. And then what do we need to do next? Lily? Don't we need to punctuate it? Yeah, because it's imperative, it's getting a period, just like our declarative. And I need you to sit up and pay attention, please. Number 3, please sit in your chair. Please sit in your chair, Landon.
Capitalize the P in please.
Capitalize the P in please. Grace. Now what?
I can't really see because the camera's blurry.
Please sit in your chair, but I told you to move so you can see. I said get where you can see. Please sit in your chair.
Put a period.
Yes, it ends in a period, just like a declarative sentence. Imperative and declarative both end in a period. All right, Micah, I need you to look this way, okay? You're not really paying attention to what I'm teaching. You're just sort of staring straight. I know you're at an awkward place, but I put you there because I thought you would pay attention. Please turn and look at the board, okay? Stand behind the blue line. That might be something PE teacher would tell you, right?
Yep.
Zeke, what are we going to do?
Stand behind the blue line. We're gonna capitalize the S
The S
for
in,
stand.
S in stand, so this is the beginning of the sentence. And Micah, what else are we going to do? Put your desk down, please.
We're gonna put a period at the end.
Yes, imperative sentences get a period. Insert the period. Very good. All right, now I have a few sentences that we are are going to do, and this is going to be for a sticker. So I want you to listen carefully. I'm not giving those kind of stickers away, so if I left some in here by accident, please don't take those. I'll show you in a minute. These, you can't have these. I saved those for something else. I'll try to turn these over so you can see them. Any of the trophies that look like metallic, sorry, you can't have one of those.
Why?
Okay. Because I said, okay, I saved them for something else, I already said that too. Okay, now, I'm going to read some sentences to you, and you need to tell me what kind of sentence it is. And we're just gonna go around the room. So we're gonna start with Micah, and because we've been doing this for days, I'm not gonna give you a long, long time to think. For those of you that haven't been paying attention, you need to wake up. Because I'm not gonna give you a long, long time to think. I'm gonna keep moving. If you get it right, you get to come up and get a sticker, okay? What kind of sentence is Rachel is my friend?
Declarative.
How would you punctuate it?
Period.
Period, very good. Declarative or period. Do you know my big brother? What kind is that? Yeah, Abby. Yeah, you almost have it. You got it. Interrogative. Say that. Interrogative. One more time. Interrogative. Yeah, very good. How would you punctuate it?
With a question mark.
If you know you got it right, you just come get a sticker. I'm not gonna keep saying, get a sticker, get a sticker. If you know you got it right, you get to come get a sticker. I cannot keep stopping to tell you to come get a sticker. I told you you were close enough, Adam. I know you were trying to say interrogative, weren't you? Okay. His name is Andrew. Okay, I'm gonna skip you because you're taking too long. His name is Andrew. Declarative. How do you punctuate it? Period. I told you guys I can't just wait and wait. Would you like to play kickball at recess?
Interrogative.
Interrogative. How would you punctuate it?
Question mark.
Very good. It is so hot outside today. It is so hot outside today.
RME.
No. It is so hot outside.
Declarative.
No. It is so hot outside today.
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory. How would you punctuate it? Eric, how would you punctuate it? Exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences get an exclamation mark. We played in the rain last night. Declarative. How would you punctuate it? Period. All right, stand up if you did not get to get a sticker. I'm gonna give you one more chance. All right. Dad showed us a rainbow.
Interrogative.
No, Dad showed us a rainbow.
Period.
I didn't ask that. I asked what kind of sentence first. What kind of sentence?
Declarative.
Declarative. How would you punctuate it?
Period.
Stay standing. Adam, stay standing. You get a sticker if you got it right. I told you guys, if you get it right, you're coming to get a sticker. I can't keep telling everybody to go get a sticker. It's wasting time. The colors were beautiful. Exclamatory. How would you punctuate it? How would you punctuate an exclamatory sentence? Exclamation point, or you could call it an exclamation mark. Can you say the 2 multiplication table? What kind of sentences? Can you say the 2 multiplication table? Once you got a sticker, you need to sit down. Eric? Yes, interrogative. How would you punctuate it? How would you punctuate? Can you say the 2 multiplication table?
Period.
No? He just told you it was an interrogative sentence. Yes, but no, you have to get it right on the first time to get a sticker, so you're gonna have to do another one. Tell me what kind of sentence is this? I can't wait for my baseball game. Exclamatory, very good. All right, everybody's had a sticker now, so let's just finish it out. You don't get a sticker this time around. But let's finish out with one more sentence. Tell me, how would you punctuate that? He said it was exclamatory. Somebody tell me how to punctuate it. Yes.
An exclamation mark.
Very good. All right, now we're gonna review something that's like gonna be like what's on the test. On the quiz on Friday. That is not gonna be on the quiz, but I do believe it's what we're gonna be doing on our paper. All right. This is a yes or a no. So, yes or no, just everybody blurt it out. I wonder where my pet Tiny is.
Yes.
Yes. That is just saying, I wonder where my pet Tiny is. Who said no? Why don't you think that's a sentence? Doesn't it make a complete thought? I wonder where my pet Tiny is. You would know what your pet is. We don't need to know what your pet is, but you would know what your pet is, right? Okay. Can you help me find him?
No.
Yes.
Isn't that a question? You're asking, can you help me find him? Do you not understand that? That's a complete thought.
Well, it doesn't say what.
Yeah, but before.
Okay, but we already know we're talking about the pet, because it's a story. Right? So when I say him, I'm talking about Tiny that I just mentioned in the first sentence, right?
Yeah.
Can you help me find him? Isn't that understanding complete thought? Right? All right, what about this one? Not in his cage.
No.
Yes.
No.
Not in his cage, does that express a complete thought? No, you would have to say he is not in his cage, right? Brown and black.
No.
Very good. Because mom said to clean his cage.
No.
No. Maybe he got out because mom said to clean his cage. And you were careless when you're cleaning. I've looked everywhere in the house.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe in the kitchen.
No.
Hasn't anyone seen my pet snake?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, let's look at your page now and see what you are to do. Alright, so the first thing you are going to do is you're going to write exclamatory, EXC for exclamatory, IMP for imperative, and then you also need to use proofreader marks to punctuate it. They've already capitalized them, so you don't need to correct that. Then you're going to do the same thing in thing B. DEC for declarative, INT for interrogative, EXC for exclamatory or IMP for imperative. This time you do need to use proofreader marks to capitalize and to insert the punctuation. Then last of all, you're going to pretend that you're visiting Yellowstone National Park. Are you listening to me? Some of you are not. I've had people last year when we did this, they did not really listen, and then their sentences did not reflect the fact that they didn't listen. It says, as you drive through the park with your family, you see a pack of gray wolves. Write an imperative sentence that you might say to your brother as you try to see the wolves better. So in other words, you're giving your brother a command. What would you say? You can say please. You can give a command with the word please. You can be polite about it. But what would you say to your brother because you can't see? What do you want your brother to do?
Brother, move over.
Okay, so you're going to ask him to please move, right? Some kind of sentence that's asking him to move, and then you're going to write an exclamatory sentence that shows the strong feeling that you have about seeing the wolves. How many of you would be excited to see wolves? All right, so that would be an exclamatory sentence about seeing the wolves.